The Montana Mastermind Epic Camping Adventure is where high performance male entrepreneurs go to mix business with pleasure and digitally detox in nature's glory. So, if you are a high performing entrepreneur and you are craving the systematic harmonization of ambition and well being, aka the happy hustle, well, then this is something you're going to want to listen to the end, because the Montana Mastermind Epic Camping Adventure is our flagship event. And this is how you can actually harmonize that ambition and well-being. So we're going to break down what the Montana Mastermind Epic Camping Adventure is. We call it MMECA, so I'll just call it that. We're going to talk about who it's for. We're going to go through the itinerary and programming, some FAQs, like questions that get asked often. So this is definitely for someone who is on the fence or considering going, or maybe you're a friend who, wants to send another friend this information that kind of keeps it all in one place so that you can make the best decision for you if this is something you're interested in. And then also, this could be for someone who wants to run masterminds or retreats or events themselves, because we're going to break down some of the nitty gritty behind the scenes too. So if you're interested in that, I want to be a resource and share some of my mistakes, some stuff that I've learned, and also some of the stuff that I think we're doing quite well, and according to feedback, crushing it. So if you're interested, again, you can apply at thehappyhustle.com/mastermind. You can check out the page. There's all sorts of FAQs and stuff there. Watch the videos, learn more.